Hi guys, and welcome to Kay's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a unicorn smoothie bowl that is colorful, fun, delicious, and nutritious. Alright guys, the recipe for this smoothie bowl is so easy. It has 3 main ingredients, 2 of which you probably have already. You're going to be needing frozen bananas. I have frozen 2 bananas overnight. So I've just chopped them up so they're going to be easy to blend. And then I'm using a coconut yogurt, but you can use whatever type of yogurt you like. And I've used about 2 heaped teaspoons of yogurt here. And then the main ingredient is your Unicorn Superfood powders, and I have a variety of blends here. I'm just going to be using the Ocean blend today, which has a really pretty dusty blue color to it. The main ingredient in this is blue spirulina, which is something that you don't get in any of your food, so it has lots of great properties that the body can absorb naturally. It will help to boost your immune system, your energy levels, and it's great to relieve pain and inflammation in the body. So that's the one I'm going to be using today, but they're all amazing. This one is an alkalizing blend. The pink pitaya has a lot of fiber in it and has this rich pink color to it. Makes your food look really pretty. The Berrylicious blend, it is gonna be berries and purple, and the Immunity blend is a bright orange. It has lots of vitamin C in it, so if you feel like you're getting a cold, that one's great to use. Has lots of ginger, carrots, and oranges in it. And honestly, they're all great, so I like having a variety of them to keep my foods colorful, and it will help me with however my body's feeling. So if I feel like I need something more alkalizing, the green one's great. Today, I just want to make a really pretty ocean blue smoothie bowl and boost my energy level, so I'm going to use this today. So really easy to make. All you're going to do is pop your frozen bananas and your yogurt into a blender. And if the bananas are too frozen and it's not moving around, just add a little bit of water to your blender here. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of your superfood powder. And then you just need a variety of toppings. I'm going to be using granola, shredded coconut, frozen blueberries, and chopped up mango. And there you have it. Here's my delicious unicorn smoothie bowl. If you guys would like to make your own concoctions at home, check out the Unicorn Superfoods. I've put a link in my description box below. Get some of the blends for yourself and add them to your smoothie bowls, to your soups, to your porridge, to your lattes, whatever you want. Be creative with it, and share your ideas with me, and let me know if you'd like to see more from Kay's Kitchen on the comments box below. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll see you next Monday for another amazing video.